Hello, today I'm going to be making an Irish soda bread, and the reason I said "an" is because it's not the traditional, which used flour, baking soda, buttermilk, and salt for ingredients. In a small bowl, mix 1 3/4 cup of buttermilk and 1 egg. And set that aside. I use bread flour as well as all-purpose flour, 1 cup of bread flour, 3 cups of all-purpose flour, quarter of a cup of flour reserved for the rollout, 3 tablespoons of white sugar, 1 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of salt, 5 tablespoons of cold butter. You can use one of these into this. Add the buttermilk and egg. Add in a cup of raisins. That's where that 1/4 cup of extra flour came from. Don't use more flour than that because the dough changes to being too dense. Knead this for about 30 seconds and you absorb pretty much all of the flour on your surface. And gathering this into a ball shape and placing it into a parchment-lined Dutch oven after I cut across in the top. This is going into the oven for about 50 minutes or until an instant read thermometer says that it's about 190 degrees. You can cook it with or without the cover. I'm going to watch it and decide whether I want to put a cover on it after. As I said before, this is not the traditional recipe. I watched my grandmother changing her recipes over the years as more things became common in the stores. One kitchen tip, I have 3 dogs. There's dog hair everywhere, so on my kitchen mixing bowls, I always use, after they have been washed, plastic wrap, just to keep them clean and ready to go for the next adventure in my messing up my kitchen. About halfway through, I decided to cover it because I might want to give it a little bit longer to cook. I'm going to leave this in for about another 5 to 10 minutes, cooked enough.